Hello guys, welcome back. And this gonna show you here about help you how you fix pink spikes on Valorant. Let's go and find out here how you actually start to go for doing it stuff. That is about to be really quick. So all you need to do is about follow this video. You can actually start to you guys is about to real quick guys to start to see whenever you want actually on Valorant because it's gonna really be everything about to be really done over the place where we want is about to be really on Valorant. So all you need to do is about follow this video. Can actually be going on right top corner. Click here on settings. Now start scroll down here, and then as you can see, you're gonna start to go to click on. You can see here big spikes on, including throw the packet loss and big spikes. So you can start to go for really quick to start to remove or start to add something that is stable. This is gonna really give you guys a lot of things. It should be about to be going on with that stuff here to start to fix the spike. So you can make it to maximum, and that's all about to help you guys in this video, and thank you for